Hello friends, welcome to Ashish Talk Business News. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with the Titan and detailed analysis as per technicals also. So the company today announced its quarterly results. Today we are going to see in detail about its results. First of all, we have to see previous records how this company performed. So this is like Titan. So present 2460. 3,519 is last quarter its revenue, and profit is like 20 crores, and 556 is its high profit, net profit, and 7,551 is the best ever result, like on revenue side 5,000 7,600. So this is how their previous performances, and now we are going to see in detail. So Titan journey. So Titan started with watches 1987, and Timex JV, and Tanishq, this is jewelry segment, and Sonata, this is also watch, and 2003 a fast track, and PET Gold Plus, a Tata product which related to gold, and Tata I Plus Ice, and Joyo. So this is also related to gold, I think. So Helios is one of the brand by Titan, which is like wearable watch segment, and 2010 accessories, and Tanish, and perfumes skin Titan. So this is also good, and this Carrot Lane, this is like online jewelry, and 2017 Taneria. So this is also like jewelry segment. So this is how they performed in over the time. And the next thing is, if you observe here, watches and wearables and jewelry segment, eye segment, fragrance accessories, in the which are very good friends. And their luxury products they are mentioning like Joyal and this Ferry Lubia. So these things are luxury and premium and mid-range and mass market is Sonata Tata product. And next, if you see the Q2 performance of the company, which posted 6,977 crores as a revenue and net profit near 4,000 crores, which is a very good market improvement in these COVID situations. Also, if you observe here, like 7,500 is the mark, and 6,500 here you are seeing. Now also it posted 6,500, and here like 474 crores, and now also it posted 399 something, right? So near 400, so which is okay. So see here, what's net profit. Wait a minute, we are going to see the net profit of the company. So wait a minute. See here, the profit, highest ever profit before tax, and wait a minute, for the quarter compared with profit before tax, we are going to see profit after tax. Wait a minute, sales growth and everything they are mentioning. Standalone. 6,900 and 8,064. This is PAT, profit before tax. We have PBT. We want PAT. A minute, friends. See here, it's like 1,650 individual segments, dividend payouts, market capital. So friends, one thing we have to see here majorly is the best awards from Red Dot also for the design and everything. So which are very cool things we have to observe in data, because they done a really good job regarding that. A minute, friends. For 641 crores, friends. Comparing with here, if you observe 641 crores means everywhere it doesn't have that much of net profit, but now it posted 641 crores means, which is a good number, and we are going to see a huge move tomorrow in this script because the recent fall. So from 2000 around it is around place second July it is 1700, now 2400 in that area it is moving, so we can expect a little positive up move tomorrow. So thank you friends.